Okay, so we want to talk about reflecting images or shapes on a coordinate plane. First thing I want you to do is always read the direction. It says reflection across the x-axis. Reflection across the x-axis. First of all, highlight the x-axis or be aware of where the x-axis is. How you reflect across the x-axis. You choose your point. Count to the x-axis. How many units? G is 1, 2, 3, 4 units from the x-axis. Count that many units to the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and plot your prime point. Oh, that was G. Q is 1 unit from the x-axis. Count 1 unit to the opposite side and plot your point. Those are our prime points. And then finally, L, 1, 2 units from the x-axis. Count 1, 2 units to the opposite side. Plot L prime. And then go ahead and connect your points. Q is connected to G in the original. Q is also connected to L. And then L is connected to G. There goes my reflected triangle over the x-axis. This is what your answer would look like. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says reflection across y being equal to 3. First of all, where is y equal to 3? Y is equal to 3. If I find the y-axis and I count up to 3, 1, 2, 3, and I draw a line, a horizontal line through 3, that is going to be the line that we reflect across, right there. That's where y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 at every grid on this line. At every point on this line, y is equal to 3. So here we go. That's x. X is 2 away. So I count 2 to the opposite side and plot a point. That's my x prime. L is 1, 2 away from y is equal to 3. So L prime will be 1, 2 on the opposite side. So the original U becomes L prime. And then U is 1, 2 away. And I count to 2 to the opposite side. L becomes U prime. So I have all of my prime points plotted. Let's go ahead and connect my points that should be connected to each other. So in the original, U is connected to X. So I'm going to make sure that U is connected to X. U is also connected to L. So I'm going to make sure those are connected. And then X and L are connected. So I'm going to make sure that X prime and L prime are connected. And of course, so that you can see it better, I like to shade in my image. Because especially when they overlap, sometimes it's hard to see what you just reflected. So that is my reflected image. I'll do one more. I want to do one over, okay, so let's do number 3. Reflect over y is equal to 1. Again, find the y-axis, find 1 on the y-axis, and draw a line that crosses over only the y-axis at 1. So that's the line over which we are reflecting. And it's just simple, count to that line from each point. Y is 1 point away, so y prime will be 1 point to the opposite side. I is 1 point away, so it will be 1 point away to the opposite side. T is 1, 2, 3 points away, so 1, 2, 3 points away. On the opposite side would be T prime. Go ahead and connect your points. T and Y. I and Y. And I and T. And go ahead and save that in so you can see what we just reflected. And there is my reflected image. I really hope this helps.